Hello crypto traders, crypto enthusiasts, and crypto explorers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to stake your SFUEL token into your MetaMask wallet account. I sent some SFUEL token from my Trust wallet account to my MetaMask wallet account. As you can see, I have 24,462 SFUEL in my MetaMask wallet account. But before you start staking your SFUEL token, you must have BSC or Binance Smart Chain BNB coin because you will use it for staking in your MetaMask wallet account. Okay? So where are we going to stake, or what website are we going to use to stake this SFUEL token? We will go to SparkSwap.finance website to stake our SFUEL token. Okay, so click this button. Then go to browser. So as you can see, I already in app.srk.finance. You can go directly in this website, app.srk.finance, or you can type easily SparkSwap.finance. Okay. To give you an idea about SparkSwap.finance, it is a decentralized exchange of SparkPoint company. So this is one of their project. You can swap ADA, SFUEL, Alpha, ANKR, ASR, ATM, Atom, Bake. So there are a lot of token that you can swap here in SparkSwap.finance. And more token, more project will be listed in this SparkSwap.finance. Okay? So this is a good project also, guys. You can purchase SFUEL here in SparkSwap.finance or in PancakeSwap decentralized exchange. But I highly suggest that you use SparkSwap.finance if you want to buy SFUEL token. Okay, so SFUEL token is a DeFi token of SparkPoint. Okay, so click this button, click pool. So you will be automatically redirected to app.srk.finance. Then you need to connect your wallet. Click this button. Okay, then connect wallet. Okay, it's already connected. My wallet address is already connected. So the next thing to do is to stake my SFUEL token to earn more SFUEL token. Okay, so we will look for SFUEL pool. So this one. Then click deposit. Then click stake token. So if you want to stake all your token, click max. But if you want to stake some of your token, you will just type the amount here. Okay, type the amount. For example, if you want to stake only 10,000 SFUEL, so just type the amount. But what I'm going to do is to stake all my balance or SFUEL balance. So click max. Then click approve. Click approve. Waiting for confirmation. So this is the reason why we need extra BSC coin, so we can use it for transaction fee. Click approve. Transaction submitted. Waiting for confirmation. Okay, approved. Then close. Then it's already approved, guys. Then click deposit. Confirm deposit. Click deposit. Waiting for confirmation. Then another network fee. It's only 0.00091 BSC. Click confirm. Waiting for confirmation. Deposited, then close. Okay, my 24,462 SFUEL token is already staked and deposited to SFUEL pool, this one. So I will just wait for the SFUEL to generate more SFUEL here. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you are not yet my subscriber, please subscribe, click notification bell for you to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you and have a good day.